I'm an embarrassment to nature, clearly. Hey, it's Muro, and welcome to another episode of 3am Existentialism, brought to you by the imminent and ever-looming heat death of the universe. Today we're going to be painting some manner of thing on our chest that I have not yet planned, but hopefully it will turn out a lot better than it did last time. I had even less of a clue and an even worse mood. Gonna be playing with some colour again. The unicorn cup has become somewhat of a staple, I've realised. Completely unintentionally. Anyone who's seen any of my other work will know that I work a lot with psychedelic themes, clearly, by the backdrop. Yeah, so I kind of just cut this whole bit because I just started getting into talking about the third eye and like a bunch of weird shit to do with that and why I use psychedelic imagery. Basically TLDR, raised by hippies, now do hippie shit. Look at that acid pink, man. I'm going to use the top of this Illamasqua gel eyeliner to That's the best thing about not having any eyebrows, is being able to draw stuff on your forehead so much easier. I just heard an owl. I love when they come back. We've had a cuckoo recently too, which is quite rare in these parts. Yeah, this owl used to come and land on my bedroom windowsill when I was a kid. Sometimes I could hear him beat his wings, which was amazing. Very Ziggy Stardust. I'm aware. was huge into the glam rock kind of scene when I was young. Not that there was a scene at that time, but yeah, when I was a kid, like, literally nothing was cooler than Sweet ever. They were like the coolest band. So I kind of like how this almost looks like a costume they would wear. And I have a huge thing for the combination of navy blue and gold. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching me scribble on my face and body this time. I hope you're having a great day or night depending on where you are, and I will see you next time. Bye. So, right, bass. Don't do that, Muro. Fucking hell. I'm an embarrassment to nature, clearly.